Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to delete devices in Netflix and how to sign out of devices remotely. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Netflix, open the app, click on My Netflix, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen, click on Account, scroll down a little bit until you find Access and Devices. And as you can see here, you will find all the devices like who are using your Netflix account. You can choose any device and just click on it, and to sign out from it, you have just to click on sign out, and like that, Netflix will sign out from that device. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.